I just got a job at McDonald's. Really? That's so swag. Swag!
What's 9 plus 10?
21.
Man, where the fuck is Mario Judah?
You know what? I can't take this assault right now. I need to blow off some steam.
Mario, what the f are you doing? You can't start. Why not, Luigi? Because he's 14!
Two bros chilling in the hot tub.
Welcome to the rice fields, mother.
I love cuddles too.
Hey, let's go rickroll random people.
Awesome! These biscuits.
I'm Luigi, #1.
Hey Anna, listening to music? Yup, I love listening to music.
You picked the wrong house, fool!
Anna, I like your hair down. It's pretty.
Aw, thank you so much, Tails. You're such a sweet boy.
What in fuck's name are you doing? Hey, shut up!
Cat Kid, what music are you into? Rock music. Same. I hung out with Shadow and he likes a lot. So that's why I'm interested.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
Nival, if you rickroll me, I will yeet your braided hair butt on the ground.
360 ooga booga booga! Oh, you laggy!
You're a fucking douche.
Whatever, I do what I want.
Hey Tails.
Oh, yeah! Give it to me!
You eat all my beans?
Am I such a pretty boy?
I'm guessing he went to KFC then. Okay, let's go.
Dental plan!
Nival, if you torture Anna again, I will throw a lamp at you!
I don't have to listen to you because your breath smells like a...
Shut up, Grandma! Drink your prune juice!
No, you...
Listen here, you are not allowed to come into my room. Do you understand me?
Whatever, I do what I want.
Giggle, buddy!